To enable and set up a mobile hotspot on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings. Then here we want to go to more connectivity options. And then over here at the top, you'll find portable hotspot. You want to go here and then you can tap on the switcher in order to easily turn on the portable hotspot. In addition to that, you can also go to set up portable hotspot in order to choose the name for your Wi-Fi for your hotspot. You can also tap on the eye here in order to reveal the password. You can also tap on the password in order to change it. And you also have additional settings here. Once you are done with the changes, you can press this check in the top right corner. You can also generate the QR code, which can be used in order to scan and get access to your hotspot. If you enable portable hotspot for the first time, the next time you are in settings, you will find portable hotspot in this spot, so you don't have to go to more connectivity options anymore, because as you can see now it's gone from here and it is moved here. And also you can go to the control center, and here you should be able, that's not the one. In general, you can create you can add the button that allows you to enable and disable the hotspot. So at the bottom we can press edit. Then here we are looking for the hotspot. There we go. So we can tap on it, press this check in the top right corner, and now with this button we can easily enable and disable hotspot as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!